much money do you actually need to start Forex trading in 2026? I mean, maybe you are a beginner that you want to start Forex trading, or probably you've been trading for a long time, but you're still wondering, how do these people, these influencers have this lifestyle? What account size do they trade? Or probably you want to deposit by yourself and start trading and have your own lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be explaining what each account size means and which kind of lifestyle you actually get, and exactly how much I will recommend you to put into trading as well. Before getting into how much money you can have as an account size to trade, let me explain exactly what money management and risk management actually means in trading. Assuming that you have $100 and you probably just saw a buy sort of on gold, let me risk the whole $100 I have here into this trade here, and then you go ahead and risk the whole thing, and then price goes up, you're happy, and you hit stop loss. So hitting stop loss means that you lost that trade, and losing that trade means that how much money you actually risk on that trade, you are losing everything. Now the question is, how much did you actually risk on that position? Did you risk the whole $100, or did you risk half of it, $50, or did you risk maybe $5? How much did you risk? So for someone that risked the whole $100 here, this $100 is gone. Okay, the $100 is what? Is gone. But for someone that risked less than $100, probably $10, the person is only losing $10 out of the $100. So it's gonna remain with what? $90. $90 for the person. So now you understand that money management and risk management is really important. If you do risk the whole money you have on a single position, you're gonna lose everything. But if you only risk a part of it, then you can only lose some of the money, and then the remaining you can still go and take another trade and probably make money on that trade. Hope you get it. So now this is all about money management. Now that you understand that, let's get into how much money you actually need, and then how do you actually manage the money and the kind of lifestyle that money can get for you. Again, let's start with $100. Assuming that all the money you have is $100. What do you do with $100? So the first thing I'm gonna advise to you people is, first, you buy a funded account. The reason why I advise you to buy a funded account is because $100 is too small for you to just go and deposit on a personal account and expect to make a big amount of money out of it. So buying a prop firm basically means that they give you a bigger account for a small fee, and then if you do follow all the rules, then that big account they gave you, you can actually get a payout out of it. And that $100 you have, take about just half of it, which is $50, and go and buy a prop firm account. And I'm gonna recommend you people funding pips. Okay, go and buy your funding pips account. Use the coupon code ASUSFX to get 20% off. Once you have your funding pips account, the other $50 left here, you just keep it somewhere in your bank. So in a case where you actually end up blowing that funding pips account you buy, then you can still take this this money and then go and buy another account. So this is what I would advise you to do with a $100 account. And if you buy a 10K account, and let's assume that you're able to pass the account and get a funded account, you're gonna get a $10,000 real funded account. At that point there, I'm gonna be recommending you to risk about 1% per trade. So you are risking what? $100 per trade. So now you know that for you having a $10,000 funded account and you are risking $100, you're only risking 1% of the account size. So you need to take a lot of losses before losing the whole money. That's why at the beginning I told you guys that don't risk everything, just risk some of the money you have. That way you still have more money to keep risking again and again. So this is what I'm recommending you to do. And if you truly have $10,000 funded account, you can easily make, I don't know, anywhere from $200 to $500 a month. And at that point, I mean, you wouldn't really have the most luxurious lifestyle, but at least you can afford what to eat, you can afford where to live. So that would be good enough. So you can have the basic living, and I mean, it's already enough as a freedom for a beginning. Now let's look at the case where you have up to $1,000. So all the money you have is $1,000 and you want to trade. Here is what I would recommend you to do. $1,000 you have there, I think is already enough for you to even start trading your own personal account. So what I would want you to do is take that $1,000 and then deposit into a broker. And for a broker of choice, I'm gonna recommend to you guys Exness. The reason why I've been recommending Exness is because they have low spread and they have high leverage and they have everything you would need in a broker. For you to sign up, check the link below this video. So once you put your $1,000 into a broker, you can easily start risking about $50 per trade. So if you risk $50 per trade and you're actually profitable, again, you can make the same thing between $200 to $500 a month. So you can basically make the same amount of money as someone that has $100 but bought the profit account. But the good thing about you trading with your own personal account is you have no restriction. That means that you can trade news, you can do anything, you can withdraw anytime. You have no rules to follow. That's the good thing about trading your own personal account. And you can already afford that freedom when you have up to $1,000 to put into trading. Again, at that level, you have all the basic needs: eat, sleep, have your freedom. You can still not have the luxury version of thing, but it's enough. Now, what of the person that have up to $10,000? I mean, anywhere 10,000 above is gonna be really awesome. Assuming that I have $10,000, I'm gonna be putting $8,000 on a personal account. But again, Exness, go and sign up below. So once I put 8,000 there, I'm not gonna risk the whole 8,000 on a single position, but I'm gonna be risking about $250 up to $500 per trade. On a good month, I can make anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 trading that $8,000 account. And the remaining $2,000, again, I'm gonna go and buy a profit account with that. But at this level, I'm not gonna buy a 50K or a 25K profit account. I'm gonna be buying a 200K profit account. So okay, 200K profit account allows me to have a whopping $200,000 profit account, and that way I have my own personal money, like $8,000, where I can be risking about $500 per trade, and I can probably make about $2,000 a month. And then that my profit account, I can again make a good amount of money from it. Probably, I don't know, another $2,000 to $3,000. So at this level, you can scale up your $10,000 into anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000, even higher a month from trading. And at that level, that's where the real freedom starts, because you can now afford things like traveling, you can do anything you want. I don't even know what to say, but you can do anything you want, and that is the level that you would want to get there, because once you are there, you can do anything that most of those influencers you see on the internet are doing. Yeah, so I think that would be pretty much it. These are all the levels I think of when it comes to Forex trading. You have people that have $100 budget, you have people that have $1,000 budget, you have people that have up to $10,000 budget. Anything above that is just to make more money. But usually, I mean, you change lifestyle, but like the lifestyle almost pretty much the same thing. It's all about the preferences. I can be happy traveling, someone else can be happy buying cars, and someone else can be happy probably investing. So it's all about preferences. So that's it. Let me know where you fall under all of these categories here. And if you want to learn, let's say, my Forex trading strategy, or you want to sign up to any of my recommended broker, check the link below this video. And for people that are trading with Exness, check the link below this video, sign up to Exness. And then if you check my website, astutefx.com, you can basically get access to my VIP signal and everything for free. Okay, basically for free if you're trading with Exness. So that's it. Thank you everyone for watching today's live session, and see you guys on the next one. Ciao.